see two goats.
Take practice over in the night. So that one landing is going to come around this way.
Our hands. Move, move. Taking a video of that plane. Oh my god, why the cameras?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna eat lunch somewhere. That plane landed. I just got a plane taking off.
There's also another one. Sri Lanka. Isn't that Sri Lanka?
Russ, why are we Abby and club with that bird?
I'm trying to look for an A380. Where is
Wonder what is Etihad.
What's it?
Philippines! 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 Oh, that's a Boeing 777.
Oh, never knew that.
Trying to make a void path. Okay, there. Now it's steady. Finally. Yeah, everything is fine. Every single thing is fine. Ah, stop! I know, I can see it. Look right there. It was like 80. Damn, I don't have enough room. Help. Oh my god.
Don't do that one. Do the other one.
No,
Look, he
I.
has more space. I hope those Australia there. I'm gonna take off here, right?
Yeah.
To this side. Oh, you're not.
one?
United. Great.
Oh my God.
That? What is that Pink Airlines?
Is it United?
Meta has told you use what the unit complete the sentence. Is that clear or not?
Yeah. Copa Airlines again.
What is that? Almond. Wait, what about that Pink Airlines? Is that different? A unique kind of livery? Look, Copa Airlines.
Wonder what that airline
It's
is.
thinking. And JetBlue is good as.
So what?
What's taking off? The camera's landing.
I can't take a video. A double. Miss.
Is that a Ray Airlines?
Yeah, because it's Mexican. I thought this was Mexico.
Please don't say that again. Alaskan Airlines, actually, right there.
Oh my God, I can't focus on two things at the same time. Because the camera's letting Aero Mexico.
Take double take off. And it is calling the airplanes now. When it's calling the airplanes now. They will go calling us.
Snow.
Calling airplanes.
Why do I hear two airplanes?
Karo bilang matre gitu.
I'm trying to take it steadily. I can't take it. Alex Baker is creating an angle.
Seriously. I see cameras right there. Alexa! It's Delta! Look at the livery of Delta!
I know. What the world is this livery though?
Livery. Wait, livery. Look, I never heard of it.
You gotta tell your mom the rare stuff that we saw. Collision!
Delta Airlines! Hey, yo! What is that?
Delta is the worst airline of all. Delta gets so mad. I don't know. Yo, what happened to the quality? It's Alaska to Rail River again!
Look at that. What is that? What is that? Alaska!
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, look, right there.
I see.